from Naturally Green. Today I'll take you around to my garden and tell you how different products of Naturally Green can be used. In the different videos, we'll talk about different products that Naturally Green has, like organic manure, coco peat, vermicompost, Epsom salt, rock phosphate, silicon, boron, amino acid, for growth, seaweed granules, seaweed powder, humic powder. The different products, all organic, no chemical, that Naturally Green has. Quality is assured, and we are sure that customers are happy by using our products and they get the best outcome by using our product. You can see the live example in my own terrace garden, where I have around 600 to 700 plants in total. And from this small plant I keep adding different plants. Make from the sapling, I add again, make a plant, keep giving people, and they're very happy by using the organic products that we have. My plants are happy, and actually let me tell you, they talk to me. They express their feelings. It's very important to have this connect with your plant. In this video, we'll talk about seaweed granule. How seaweed granule will help the growth of the plant, will give them food, nutrients, extra mineral and organic carbon that the plant requires. So these are basically, this is how seaweed granule is. This is a bentonite granule base which is rich in plant growth, trace minerals and organic carbon. It is used as a fertilizer to encourage healthier plant growth. It promotes greater fruit and vegetable yields, and it enhances the general appearance of all the plants. So the next question is how to use the seaweed granules. There are a lot of people who buy seaweed granule, they want to dissolve in water. Does this get dissolved in water? No, this doesn't get dissolved in water. This is slow release. Whenever the plant requires the nutrient, it will absorb. So what we have to do is again sprinkle it the way that we do salt sprinkling in the food. Just sprinkle it all across. Whenever the plant requires, it will absorb the nutrient and it will dissolve eventually. It will not dissolve in water, and it will not get dissolved in one day. It is a slow release process where it will take around 10 to 12 days to dissolve. And how frequently you have to use it? When you see that it has been dissolved, that is when it is the time for the next granules to put. Around 10-20 grams of seaweed granules have to be put in each and every plant depending upon the plant size. And again, now if you see that it has done, so again you have to put the seaweed granule for the next time. It helps improve soil structure and the plant growth. It helps plant cope up with various stress such as heat, frost. It promotes seeds germination and reduces transplant shock. It helps root development and promotes vigorous flowering and fruiting. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor gardening. It has over 60 naturally occurring macro and micronutrients. It activates soil microbial population and improves soil health. So for any, when we say that our plant is not growing, it has any issues, this is the best plant food. It is www.naturallygreenindia.com. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.